Go Canes baby! Did you see us destroy Duke in basketball? I have been a fan all my life.
Really? Who was your favorite player on previous teams?
Tie between Willis McGahee and Michael Irvin.
Those are basketball players.
Are you sure? What about Kellen Winslow or Jonathan Bilma?
Still football. Who is your favorite basketball player on the team now?
Shane Battier.
He plays for the Heat.
Fine, Norris Cole.
Do you even know who the coach is?
That is easy, Joe Philbin.
In basketball, how many points is a free throw worth?
That is just as easy. 3.
You truly are a superfan.